are you? Let's make a short video for you. At first, I will preview. Let's connect the sales page. Okay, let's try again. Let the page connect. Okay, tag exchange is not connect. Let's try again. Yeah, now tag exchange is connected. Okay, continue. Now we're going to check the checkout page. Now, okay, let the page load completely. Okay, now we'll click this button. Okay, now look, the checkout page is connected over here. Okay, and still the Google Ad purchase conversion is not fired because still we didn't complete these activities. Okay, and when the visitor will put the email, for example, I put the email, and when we'll click sign up and page will reload, that time the Google Ads purchase conversion will be fired. Okay, so let's do it. Now I put the Gmail account and now sign up and let the page reload. Okay, and now we're going to see Google Ads purchase conversion is fired. That means when you will run the ad and a visitor will visit your website and then we'll go to the checkout page and then we'll put the email and click the sign up free button and then the page will reload or go to another page. That time your Google Ad purchase conversion will be fired and you will get a real conversion uh, on your Google Ads when you will run the ads campaign. Okay, and from my side, I did my best, and I hope it will work properly for you. And I also connected uh, your checkout page with your Google Tag Assistant. Here I put the code. Okay, now it is connected, and here you can see. Okay, that's all about for the time being. See you next time.